Hey everybody, it's Outdoor AF. Good to see you again. Thanks for joining. Hey, if you're going to be out at a campsite or even in your backyard and you want to cook some stuff over the fire, like some s'mores, some marshmallows, or in my case today, steak, you better get your stick green, preferably green wood, and you better whittle it. You don't want that outer bark. That's where all the yucky stuff is, the bacteria and whatnot. You gotta whittle it. Most likely, most of us knew, oh yeah, you gotta get to a point. But any surface that's gonna come in contact with your food, you gotta get it down to the inner wood. That's the clean stuff. Get that stuff whittled off of there. And, like most of us knew, gotta get it to a point. You can't have it too blunt. It won't go through your meat or your marshmallow. Make a big mess. Also helps to have a sharp knife. I have a Mora. I don't know the model. Garberg Companion. It's made in Sweden. They all are, but I got a new one. This thing was so sharp, or is so sharp. I'm like, huh, how can I test how sharp it is from the factory? Most people would probably take a piece of paper and go, ooh, sharp. No, Outdoor AF takes his arm hair. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not. Yeah. Completely shaved it off. Like it was a Bic razor. Or Gillette. I was happy that it was that sharp. Because what is a chef's worst enemy in the kitchen? The answer is a dull knife. A dull knife. Anyway, not the best whittler on earth, but do they have to be like toothpick tips? No, no. Take off more bark than you think you need. You don't. I'm not saying you're going to get deathly ill. Most likely not. But trust me, some of you may know, it's not so great to have an emergency out in the woods, if you know what I mean. An emergency number 2, numero dos. Ooh, that hurt. So, yeah, okay. 2 nice points for my steak. Good job, whittled sticks. Good job. Oh, oh yeah. Even with no seasoning. Must be because I whittled the sticks. Delicious. Steak, one of the easiest things to cook outdoors. Delicious, always. Hey, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode. In the meantime, click like, subscribe, and comment if you'd like. Adios.